We are going to take a look at a new tool from Turnitin. First thing you need to do is make sure you delete the Google Docs app. It will not work in the app because it is an extension. So I've already done that. So now I'm going to go open up Safari. It will not work in Chrome either. This is the paper. I have already done this once, so it is going to go pretty quickly. But I finished up this paper. I am going to look to see if there's any plagiarism that I happen to have in here. It does touch on AI a little bit. So I am going to go up top here, select extensions, Turnitin Draft Coach, and then select Turnitin Draft Coach again. On the right side, you're gonna see a little pop-up. It says, welcome. I'm gonna look for get feedback now. It's gonna be able to identify 3 different feedbacks. I can do a grammar check. I can check citations if I wish. And then what I actually do want to do is a similarity report. Each paper you are going to be able to do 3 different similarity reports. As you can see, I've already done one. And when I ran it, it did take a little while because it's a decent sized paper. It had a 3% similarity. Now I did use reference ChatGPT just to make sure I got some facts checked and everything else. So the only referencing that, hey, this could potentially be an issue, it came from these 2 different sites. When I select more of information, it simply shows, hey, this is a line that's potentially plagiarized or very similar. There's not much of a change, and I can word a potential sentence differently. And then kind of the same with this one. There's really very little that I could have changed because it was just the name of the Computer Fraud and Abuse Act. And there's nothing else you can change on that. If I actually want a full report, I can click on that and it gives me a much more detailed information on that. So that is how you are able to use the Turnitin Draft Coach, just to be able to compare, if you are actually using an authentic piece of work or if you are doing too much plagiarism or using too much ChatGPT.